nuggets and fries and eat some. I'm gonna give you some. So that's what it look like already. Yeah, man, check in. Big Sunday morning, man. Just a wake up now. This is my breakfast, you don't know. And some nuggets are frying in the pot as well. Some chicken nuggets. Set them out now before they start get black. Pick it up now. Right now, I get some French fries fry. Don't know the thing go. Make me looking breakfast in the morning, yeah. I don't think I make no tea still, no, but you see me I make tea this morning. There'll definitely be some talk with tea. Yo, my morning done gone bad already. Dinner time, you know. I'm still a make my breakfast. I'm gonna make one omelette, one egg omelette with chicken nuggets and fries. They're gonna make some festival, but still want to sleep right now. Can't do that time, you know, but just stay tuned. I'm gonna watch the process, man. So one of the nuggets there, golden brown and nice. And comment if you don't like nuggets. If you don't love comment, if you don't love nuggets, comment and say yes.
Okay. You watch it up there, you watch.
Nice for beers. Put on the fries in my now. And go and fry. Can't wait for them fries if you done, you know. I should have an outdoor adventure like, you know, riverside or some hillside or something, but I still outdoors still because I see a cold stove me I use, but you don't know. Sunday, music I play everywhere. Every corner you go, music I play and things. So I just say, yo, I'm not listening to yard here, man. And even in my yard, music I play too, so I just have to wait till when we get that local chance to can make a video like this. Be a funeral night place, yeah.
My 5 money they don't know.
The amount of earth me see going up from
5 money they that came.
5 funeral. I pass one church right up there, so one right up at school.
5 money they did that.
I was around 20 somebody me see over there and one earth over there. I pass the next church above that. One earth there. I see around 30 odd people. Stop talking about funeral now. I'm thinking about breakfast time, man. Food time, you know. No, I'm fries them too soft. I don't want them burn. I just want them in between. You know? I want to look a bit of crispiness to it. I don't know. People don't comment on the eat fries with it for ketchup or a mayonnaise. That to me, fries and mayonnaise taste good enough. If I eat that yet, fries and mayonnaise. Bad. Whereas they put relish on it, that's laughter, brother. Fries and ketchup too normal. And fry some more. So chicken back with me mix up my onion and my franks and egg and things. And I get them in like pot. Right now, I get to in the egg. See this up with that video.
Yeah, give one better man.
The one you're having onion and black pepper and anything there in it. You can see. You can see right there, so time and skeleton and something there now. And from. I'm going to stir the pot like it have been too much oil, but I don't know how to scramble it or scramble it. I'm going to try to get it turned over. Check him out when I turn it over. Let's go with it. I hold it like it's a mash up. 3 eggs. 3 eggs in that one here. 3 yolk. One here, so one here, so one over here, so. Beer franks. Breakfast days. Drop on there.
You mean never put them in a one?
No. Go and press some more. Check in from there. This is how my nuggets look like, you know. Nuggets and fries and eat some. I'm gonna give you some. This is what it look like already. They don't know me, I got check in when check in back on the egg and fry. So good. Try to pass some salt. No, see the half it. Reaction and breakfast today. I think I'm going to try and make my festival. Because I have milk and flour. I'm going to make a festival on the board. I'll just make 2 or 3. Like that. Smell good. You can smell the onion and the scallion and the black pepper. Check in back when I get in the festival. Festival dumpling, yeah? In a plate. See pot here at over here so again. So right now we are going to get in festival night pot. The time the oil get hot again. So I'm just put on back the pot. We are getting 2 festival night, you know? Let's go and watch the process. Right now I'm getting 1 dumpling night already on festival. I'm going to get in 1 more. Nice one. Hi. Here comes the finger. Now what that? Oh, egg. Franks. So this is what they look like. This is why I'm a slow fry, let the fire get low. So I'm going to check in and go and start out the fire back and get it down back in. But so far, I'm going to go out with themselves. See them? I'm going to get them color. Nice and clean. Festival look good. This is why you see that make them bubbles something there. Or because I get the egg fry before the festival. Whenever I go make the festival and then look on breakfast, it kinda look kinda maga, so I say, alright, festival it is, you know. So after come to go make up something fast and come back. So I eat that. I eat that in our festival for days. Chicken back when we get them and what I thought. Getting the last 3. Yes, the last 3 I know. You can see.
How is that cook?
Last 3 festival them are fried dumpling. My fry and thing. final three. First set here. Look nice and thing. Yes, even better. Just like milk. So guys, right now, it's a finished product, you know. Festival. You call it almost, you say alright? Scrambled egg. It looks scrambled. You have fries and me have nuggets. I don't know, me have a little drink of milk over here, so. Warm milk. So right now, I'm going ahead and tell you I'm going to feed. Festival them nice now. Just with egg. It's just well. Just fries. Flour still up on my hand. You know. If you need the festival. Yes, good. Just nuggets and all. Nuggets. So off. So yeah guys, once you're new, just subscribe and share. And remember to like the video. Blue jars. Blue jars in a pot. Now I'm gonna lie.